And in Northeast Austin, mysterious vibrations and sounds rattle homeowners in one neighborhood. Authorities say they know what's causing it. It all started around midnight last night when people began to call 911 to report strange sounds and vibrations in the Harris Branch neighborhood. Fire crews arrived on the scene and noticed homes vibrating. They spent all morning looking for the cause. It was traced back to the Sunset Farms landfill located in the 900 block of Giles Road.
As the trash breaks down, it releases a methane gas. That methane gas gets captured, and they actually use it in a process to generate electricity, and then whatever's left or whatever passes through that system, they will actually burn off through a flare system.
Officials are investigating whether something happened to the damper system related to those flares. They know it's not burning quite as cleanly, and it's creating a sound and vibration. Firefighters say there is no hazard to the public, and within the last hour, they've made adjustments they believe will fix the problem.